The global financial landscape is shifting rapidly. The US, China, and Russia are at the center of a complex economic and geopolitical struggle that affects the entire world. From de-dollarization to energy wars, economic sanctions to trade realignments, today we'll break down how these forces are reshaping the global economy. For decades, the US dollar has been the backbone of global trade and finance. The US benefits from its reserve currency status, which allows it to print money, run large deficits, and enforce economic influence through sanctions. But cracks are forming. Massive debt and inflation. The US national debt has surpassed $34 trillion, and rising interest rates are making it harder to sustain. Inflation remains a concern, forcing the Federal Reserve into a balancing act between rate hikes and economic growth. Additionally, government spending on social programs, defense, and infrastructure is increasing pressure on the national budget, making future fiscal sustainability a growing concern. De-dollarization movement. Countries like China, Russia, and even allies like Saudi Arabia are reducing reliance on the dollar. The BRICS bloc is pushing for alternatives, with trade settlements increasingly conducted in yuan and rubles. Central banks worldwide are diversifying their reserves, purchasing gold at record levels to hedge against dollar volatility and geopolitical risks. Economic slowdown risks. While the US economy remains resilient, higher borrowing costs, bank failures, and a declining manufacturing base present serious challenges.